Welcome back. You're watching News Center. The government has said that it will work towards implementing regulations for artificial intelligence while inaugurating the Global India AI Summit in Delhi. Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said that the government aims to focus on containing the risks associated with technology around AI. He also added that the government is keen on boosting infrastructure that will aid AI technology. Ashwit Kumar reports.
Well, I'm coming to you from the Global India AI Summit. Quite unconventionally, the summit is coming to you in the middle of the year. And this is something that the Minister, Ashwini Vaishnav, was quick to acknowledge at the very outset, saying that the need was felt for the summit to keep pace with the fast-evolving nature of AI as a technology. But speaking of AI, there are three broad themes that are governing conversation. The first is risk associated. Ashwini Vaishnav was quick to point out that the elections that were recently concluded demonstrated the ill effects of this AI-enabled content. The second theme is developing use cases that are customized for Indian situations and Indian contexts. And the third is to develop a global consensus for regulating this new technology.
Global community is coming to a consensus on AI. Today we are holding a seminar, a conference where the experience of the last 1 year will be discussed. And as you are aware, in many countries, lots of activity related to containing the risks related to AI has happened. So this will be one of the major focus of this summit. The other big focus will be how does the society harness the potential of AI. And as our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has always emphasized that technology has to be democratized.
Well, the minister also spoke about ensuring that technology does not rest in a few hands. And to that end, he mentioned that he's seeking to replicate the DPI, the Digital Public Infrastructure example, which is to create a public platform which has the necessary compute power as well as data sets, enabling startups to build on that. In fact, speaking of startups and building on platforms, OpenAI's Srinivas Narayanan was here. He spoke along those lines about supporting in the India AI mission and building solutions on this platform for India's local needs.
Building on our earlier announcements, I'd like to share that OpenAI is committed to supporting the India AI mission's application development initiative to ensure that Indian developers can build on our models and deliver social benefit at scale. And we really look forward to continuing the conversation with the ministry and gauging where we might be able to add the most value. And a final shining example is the India AI mission itself. And it sets a great example, not just in the global south, but for around the world, for what an end-to-end public investment in generative AI might entail.
So what can be expected towards the end of this two-day Global India AI Summit? Well, we've been given to understand that there have been steady negotiations and there appears to be light at the end of the tunnel. A resolution is in the works between countries such as US, UK, Canada, India and Japan that will work towards nominating GPI, the Global Partnership of Artificial Intelligence, to act as an apex body, as a nodal agency for regulating and governing all things AI. In New Delhi, with camera person Gaurav Tyagi, Ashwit Kumar.
And moving